Average, so please stop acting like you are. It's time to wake up. It's time to remember your true power. Stop trying to blend in. You were never meant to blend in. You're supposed to stand out and be your unorthodox, charismatic, eccentric, brilliant self. You are connected to higher powers. You are the truth. You have tried to censor yourself for far too long. And now it's time to show the world who you really are. It's okay to be different. Your difference makes a difference. You are a leader. You are a pioneer. You are magnificent. You are the vibe. I know you've had it hard. I know you've been going through a lot. You're worrying about your stability and money. And you have received many blockages, but these blockages are not permanent. It's to help you grow. Now, it's easier said than done, but in this life, you are supposed to be victorious. You are supposed to live an abundant life. Now it's time to believe in yourself and go after your goals. Don't forget about who you are, what you came here to do. It's time to chase your dreams once more. It's never too late. It's never too late. You've shut off from the world. You've closed others out, fearing the worst. And in some cases, blocking your own blessings. You're standing in your own way. You have what it takes to live the best life possible. You are so abundant. You are so radiant. You are extremely creative. The world is waiting to see your brilliance. You were bestowed these talents for a reason, not to hide them, not to keep them to yourself, but to showcase your excellence to the world, to help inspire, because there's other people like yourself that need to see someone like you doing what you do. Stop hiding. Stop downplaying yourself. Stop acting if you've lost it all. And in some cases, unfortunately, some of you have lost it all. But it doesn't mean that you cannot try again. You've got to believe in yourself. You've got to dig deep. You've got to remember the fire that you have within you. You've got to remember that passion that you felt when you got that job that you always wanted, when you got that position. You've got to remember who you are. You've been sleeping. It's time to wake up. It's time to celebrate yourself. It's time to rejoice. It's time to not give a F. It's time to become your own cheerleader. It's time to hype yourself up. Don't worry about those that want to see you fail. And if others want to see you fail, alchemize that energy that they throw at you. Be even greater, be even bolder. And don't do it for them. Do it for you. Compete with yourself. Compete with yourself only. You were born to shine. You weren't born to blend in. You were born to lead. You are a co-creator of your destiny. You are of magic. Create magic. Be the embodiment of magic. Make people believe in magic. It doesn't matter where you start from. Even if it means you have to start from the bottom. Because eventually You will be victorious. Remain humble. Stay graceful. And remember, you are not your average. With your abilities, with your talents, you're supposed to shine. And even if you try and downplay yourself, guess what? You shine anyway. Start celebrating yourself. And I'll be right behind you, cheering you on. Keep shining.